Today I'll show how to make toast with cheese for mommy. First, get a piece of cheese. And then take it back. Nope, nothing. And then cut a dinosaur out of it. You can use any kind of shape you want. But the tricky part is you almost got no space on my cheese pizza. On my mom's cheese pizza. At least I have to. Like this, like a dinosaur. Now we just need a pita. I'm gonna get a scissors. This is quite big. Yeah! Can we get one in? A dinosaur. A picture of a dinosaur. Ta-da! Bye-bye. See you next time. Before I say that, I need to get out some herbs with salt. Where's the cat? I can't find it. Oh, found it. This is kind of weird. That's weird. Oh. Now let's put it in the oven. Put it in. Sweet tomatoes. Okay.